Baba? Baba, wait! Come to close up the water. Sounds like a portal.
Yeah, but we're gonna destroy our pump. Leaking back. Oh, all the pressure going bye-bye, leaking all through.
Yeah, it cannot suck that high.
No, it cannot hold it in. It's if there's no water at the bottom, it cannot hold the pressure, so it can just let it all out. It's got turned around. He seems to be not puking out anymore at all.
Yeah.
We might have a stroke. We'll see. Time will tell.
Yeah.
Let's see if tomorrow.
Yeah, we have that problem, no
this
problem,
room is useless. Good that you wash clothes.
I told you.
You did it. You literally probably wasted all the last water.
Yeah, I needed to wash clothes.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean. I'm not.
You didn't have any more underwears.
I'm out of underwears, out of socks, out of t-shirts.
Okay, say goodbye to this room.
This room is useless.
Bye,
we cannot use the tool.
Oh, this
you
is
cannot use this either.
This is the stork room.
You cannot use this?
No, I know, and I need to pee and poop. Say goodbye to this.
I need to clean up the porta
Bye
potty.
bye, Storky. This is the stork bedroom.
I need to clean the porta potty.
At least we have a van toilet.
We're used to this life.
Yeah, but I'm not used to this life.
Go.
As I said, we're used to this life, of course. Van lifing, it was nice, it was perfect, it was amazing. But van lifing, you were talking about this small space where it does not need to be done anything inside. In there, David has to do tomorrow's ceiling, I have to finish the wall. It's dirty, and I cannot go to sleep. In the van, I could go like 3 days without showering, okay, fine.
And this thing drives around and picks up water whenever it stops, you know.
No, we need to go with this poop and get water and then shower outside at that time where it's cold, because we finish work at that time. So we need to shower at that time, or work less, or work earlier. Oh. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Back to primitive.
And my feet are stinking like shit, this thing. Look at this feet. It was working all day, this feet. You see it?
Yeah.
It stinks. Oh, David's feet though. They stink even more. Then I need to wash that. I cannot go to sleep with stinky feet.
We have the lake, at least we can go wash there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, to get a bucket from the lake.
The well has water and the lake has water and the well doesn't. That's how shit our well is.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna see. Well, you're here. We're gonna see. You're gonna be updated. Yeah, well, but I think that's it for today. We're gonna figure out a way to wash hands, wash food, because I want a salad. I guess we're just gonna live with noodle soups for the rest of the life till we get water, because it's expensive and we don't know what to do. We don't know, either we make it deep well, we make the well deeper, we make it ourselves, and everything costs, of course. It costs super a lot of money. We don't have that money, we barely have money, so we don't know what to do. At least it's summer.
Yeah, lucky period.
We can go shower and go in the lake, but I cannot smooch my hair in the lake. People will think I'm weird, like trying to get all the stones out. Oh yeah.
That's what we're vacuum cleaners for.
Oh yeah, true.
And then you go in the lake.
And then we go there. Oh.
But it's too late to go, like it's gonna be cold.
Oh no, I'm freezing already.
The water's warm though.
Yeah. We're gonna use once again this room just to enter it. Get this one and go out, because that's all we need. Close. This is the stork bedroom. In this house, I think it's pretty invisible. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So I have my cuppy here,
and
I'm gonna prepare a nice drink.
That's a, oh, I don't even see the cup. So we found like.
I'll wear gloves because I don't have water.
Look what a nice cup we're gonna use for the stork. So we're gonna look for worms and then we're gonna just smush them. You found one?
Where's more?
There behind the shovel was one.
Oh, that also has berries. What the hell's going on here? How do they even survive? Calm, what though? There's really no worms here. I need to dig first now. It's just too fluffy and not enough plants growing. Let's go make my coffee into a cocktail. I need to chew it, then puke it back out. Now I need to eat it all and barf it back out.
Are you gonna do this?
No, I'll just use a simple shot technique. This really is like weird to squeeze worms, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then I need to put it in a pencil and give it to him. That's also a weird part.
How do we know if it's a girl or a boy?
Are you asking the people or me?
Overall.
The worms are struggling and I really don't like it. Yes, Mommy's here. Mommy's here.
Are you the mommy? Why are you wearing a hat now? All of a sudden you remember you have a hat.
I don't even think of him.
What the hell?
That's power.
I think it's like a
I think
survivor.
it's pretty fucking hungry. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's bad. Bad, I mean. Unhealthy. I think we're lucky here.
It literally makes a noise to make the upstairs. What is wrong?
He's trying to bite his fingers all the time.
Once
He's trying
more.
to like break the piece.
No, I think whenever he puts a head up, he's asking for more. Look, look. Jumping around. What is he doing?
Scratch the worm. But they poop outside. They try to aim out.
What are the farragans squirting out?
So fucking crazy. Look at this. I close the
Look,
square.
look, he's moving. We're sitting here in our hammocks. Got Evie's towel, because you know it's a feet towel and Evie's also a feet towel. So we all have a feet towel. And I got sockies. One for David and one for me. And I'll put them here. I'm gonna fill up this one with water. Some.
Go around there is the easiest.
Okay.
And there's grass here, that's why. So here on your knees, like on the very end on the knees, and just go for water.
I hope there's no frogs.
There's no frogs there. There's no frogs living here, Baba.
Mm.
On your knees.
Are you filming me?
Yeah, on your knees you need to go. Oh, can you reach it like that? Jeez.
I'm a flexi girl.
We could have done this when the sun is out, when it's nice and warm, but
Yeah,
no.
but we had a baby shark when you know, if you have kids, if you're a mom, you'll probably understand.
Moms
this.
can relate, right?
Huh?
Moms of farmers can relate.
Literally today and yesterday, like for a week now, more or less, we didn't catch a break. I literally feel like a full-time mom. With 3 goats, 1 cat, 4 chickens. Yucky.
We need to wash our clothes in the lake as well now.
Definitely not.
Are you gonna sleep here?
Huh?
You gonna sleep here?
That's actually pretty nice. The mosquitoes though. No, I want to go other way because here's dirt.
No, but so we're moving outside pretty much. Living the outside life.
Mhm.
Pretty much survival.
We're so proud of it.
I'm proud of it, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is it cold?
I need to make it wet first. Oh, yeah. It's freezing. How do you do that?
You cannot put it down now.
Huh?
You cannot put your leg down.
It's okay, it's grass.
I know you wash it after anyway, so
So relaxing.
I don't see you.
Chillax. Sit back and enjoy.
Is there any soap left?
You just have to be flexy, that's all. Oh, I need more power in my hands.
You
Okay.
good?
Huh?
Is it good?
Yeah, it's actually okay. You just have to have time and, you know, slowly. And then you just lay down. After you have dried up your feet, put it here, so you have full focus on one feet. That's just shaking. Ella. I cleaned up the room today, right?
Yeah, but
We cannot even cook food.
if you would have washed all of that, then
Yeah,
you wouldn't
either
have
way,
water.
the water will run out.
Yeah, it's not like it. run out on its own. We used it.
How am I gonna wash the dishes? At least my feet are washed. Good night.
Good
I'm
night.
not eating anything. I'm too pissed. Bye bye. You can stay there if you want.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, our star baby's doing perfect. She was eating. I don't know what she is. Good. That's only happy news here.